30 days food as medicines, and today we are going to be talking about food as medicine for the disease high blood pressure. We find most of the time these days people are suffering from high blood pressure due to the wrong lifestyle. So let's deep dive in understanding how food could help you lead a healthy life. Number 1, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale are very high source of potassium, and they also helps to maintain the sodium level and regulate the blood pressure level inside our body. Ayurveda consider bitter and astringent taste to be very beneficial for blood pressure. You can either consume it as a vegetable or add it into your salad and consume it raw. Number 2, banana. It's a very good source of potassium and helps regulate blood pressure inside your body. Sweet and astringent is the taste which dominates, which helps us to take care of Vata dosha as per Ayurveda. So you can include it as a whole meal, have a banana as a fruit, or you can add it into a smoothies, into your cereals, and have it as a breakfast. Number 3, garlic. Garlic has a compound called allicin, which is basically responsible to relax the blood vessels and lower the blood pressure. As per Ayurveda, it is pungent in nature and helps to take care of Kapha dosha. You can either chop it and add it into your meal to add the flavor and reap the health benefits. If you like my content, do follow me. And what are you waiting? Do share this content to inspire somebody else to eat healthy.